Of the old La-Mothe-Saint-Héray Castle, which was destroyed in 1843, only the annexes remain today. This orangery, listed as a historic monument, and this grand building flanked by towers. This drawing from 1776 allows us to imagine a restoration of the full 18th century structure using computer-generated imagery with the help of a more recent illustration. At the center, the castle was built on the remains of an artificial medieval motte surrounded by a moat. The entrance, which was made into a keep at the end of the Middle Ages, was framed by two large circular towers equipped with machicolations, led to the interior courtyard. The rest of the castle, which was completely rebuilt around 1605, had the comforts and decorations of the Renaissance era. The sculptures that adorned the facades were reused in surrounding constructions. At the start of the 17th century, these painted panels decorated the castle chapel. This substantial L-shaped building, likely from the same period, was home to the usual features: stables, a barn, storerooms, and a cellar. Armed with a square tower, circular towers with angles, and with arrow slits, it marked the edge of the outer courtyard, which was also surrounded by a moat and crossed by a drawbridge. At the back of the castle, a bascule bridge connected it to the park and the orangery. Like its two wings, this exceptionally high-status building was built between 1634 and 1640. With direct access from the castle, the large gallery on the upper floor may have been used as a reception hall. The ground floor, dotted with immense glazed doors, provided the perfect amount of light for storing citrus fruits during the winter months. In front of the beds of the orangery, the small creek, a by-channel from the Sèvres Niortaise, was set up for jaunts in small boats. However, this arrangement, which was logical in the 17th century, was no longer fashionable in the 18th. In 1778, the Marquis who owned the castle created ambitious projects to completely reorganize the park and buildings so as to elevate the area's status. Unfortunately, these works were never carried out.